Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine. On today's tutorial, we are learning this gele on my head. You can't imagine how simple this is. When you are looking at it, you'll be like, hope this is not going to be difficult. Trust me guys, this is absolutely simple. When I say absolutely, yes, totally, like very simple. Seriously. So guys, I'll be showing you the steps to achieve this in 3 minutes. Let me say 3 minutes. Yes, in 3 minutes or max 5 minutes you are going to achieve this. Trust me guys. So guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, welcome to my channel. And on this channel, what I do is I bring out different styles of headwrap tutorials in simple ways that you can achieve in very simple and fast way. So that is what I do on this channel. And if you love what I do on this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and subscribe for more headwrap tutorials. Don't forget to like and share my video so that it can reach people who really want to learn how to tie headwrap or gele in a very simple way, right? So as you are clicking on the subscribe button, you are hitting on the notification bell. Thanks, and I do appreciate that. So my people, I need to first put on my wig cap to cover down my hair. I'm on low cut. So after that, this is the material I'm using. I'll just divide it into two equal parts from the middle like that, and I'll be grabbing it. So you grab from the middle like that and trace it down. Then you place it from the back of your head to the front, and you're going to be putting your hand inside that hole. Then you pull that out from it. So guys, all you need is just to concentrate, stay focused, and you will testify that this is simple. When I say something is simple, trust me, it is simple. So I'm showing two styles today. I'll be going with the first one before I show you the other one. So what am I doing here? I'm trying to, pull out from the down part so that I'll be able to use to cover that middle part, because you know it now, I'm on low cut, so I don't want that place to get opened. If you have your hair done, it's not necessary. Okay, so I've pulled out and I'll be using office pin. Use office pin to tack it like bit by bit till you are done. So I'm still tacking the first part, tack the other. In short, just be taking it small till you are done covering it up with some office pin. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing there. That's just it guys. So when you are done with that, you come to the front, and after covering that middle part, I noticed that it's more firm, it stay more firm on my head. So I come back to the front, then I try to fold it like that. Please focus so that you will get. Then I'm going to be pinning it down here. Okay, and I arrange. This is the first style guys, so just be calm, so that I will show you the other style, so you can choose which one do you prefer using this method. So this place as well, I just do it like that, which I'll also be pinning down. Yeah, look at this now. So we're going to be adjusting it from up. You pick the two together at the middle, then you adjust, and you'll be securing with your office pin right there. Guys, hope you can see this is simple. If you don't like this, wait, let me show you the other style. When I'm done with this, I'm coming with the one I show you earlier. All right, so you can see this. I think I'm done with this. Shift to the back. Look at the back. Look at it. So let's go to this other one, guys. So this is the other one. You've done this, don't need to, you pin it down, then you remove the pin from that place and you take it to the other side, pin the both together with your office pin. Hope you understand. If you have been focusing, you will get this. So that is that. Then you adjust it, use your hand to adjust, then you put it down like this and use your office pin to pin it down. Guys, which of these headwrap do you like most? Is it the first style or this second style? Drop in the comment section. Let me hear from you guys. So if you have watched to this length and you haven't subscribed to my channel, you haven't followed my page, what are you still waiting for? Kindly hit this follow button and hit the subscribe button on on YouTube. Follow my page for more head wrap tutorials. Your girl is done with this simple head wrap. What do you think? I told you it's simple. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.